shows me is that as long your intent is very, very powerful, as long your intent is to serve, as long as your intent is to go beyond that, beyond a selfish motive, that is nothing to do with me, it's nothing to do with Nikki, it's to do with somebody else. The purpose is a much larger purpose. Solutions emerge. Way comes forward, people come with donation, people come with capital, people come with ideas, people are willing to give of themselves, of all the expertise that they have in order to make such visions come true. So this story about making a difference is a very beautiful story. It has already begun to unfold, and I have absolutely no doubt that with the courage and determination and the vision that has been shown by Nikki, and I applaud her for that, we will see the light of day. And with this, I actually come to the fourth part of the learnings that I have had again in life. I think Nikki spoke about it a bit, but I just want to elaborate. The same spiritual person that I was talking about also spoke about, he says, you know, the energy that you actually put out in the world is the energy that actually comes back to you manifold. I didn't quite understand the concept, but as we kept questioning and listening to answers, in a very simplistic way, it really meant that if I spew hate, if I spew hatred in the world, then hatred is going to come back like a boomerang with renewed force and come and hit me. That's what typically happens to all of us. Equally, if we want to do good, then that goodness is also going to come back with renewed vigor back to the center of that. So all of us really have an opportunity to send out an energy that is very, very powerful, which is very positive, about doing good in society, about making a difference to this group of people who in the 21st century, we call it the modern century, do not yet have an organized system to be looked after. And really what's really being said is that you, me, and millions of other fortunate Indians who have it all, who probably earn more than they need, who are physically fit, who are mentally fit, in some ways, all of us should look at contributing towards doing some good to people who are beyond ourselves and our immediate families. I think that really is the purpose of this. And we are going to make a difference, and we are beginning to see early movements in this. And I have absolutely no doubt that with the energy, with the passion that's actually being shown here, that this journey is going to go towards fruition. And we are going to become an organization which hopefully is going to be as respected as the one that Major Ahluwalia has created. So thank you very much for being around. Please support this cause, and you will find certainly a lot of rewards whilst you share your own prosperity with those who don't necessarily have it. So thank you very much.